Imagine waking up feeling like something in your body is trying to get your attention, but the signal is faint, confusing, and easy to brush off. Maybe you feel bloated for no reason, or more tired than usual, or your mood dips out of nowhere. You tell yourself it's stress or bad sleep, and you move on with your day. But what if these small, everyday annoyances are actually your gut trying to whisper a warning? Today, we're uncovering 7 subtle signs your gut might be secretly inflamed. Signs most people never recognize until things get worse. And trust me, some of these will surprise you. There's always that one moment people look back on when they realize their gut had been trying to speak to them all along. For me, it was a morning where I had slept 8 hours straight, but woke up feeling like I hadn't slept at all. My eyes felt heavy, my body felt slow, and my brain just wouldn't turn on. I remember thinking, why am I exhausted when I did everything right? It turns out fatigue, persistent, unexplained tiredness, is one of the earliest clues that your gut is inflamed. When your gut lining is irritated, it struggles to absorb the nutrients your body needs for steady energy. So even if you're eating well, your body still feels like it's running on low battery. If you wake up tired for no obvious reason, your gut might be speaking softly, hoping you'll listen. But there's another sign that people notice all the time and almost always ignore: unexplained bloating. And I'm not talking about the "I ate too much" kind. I'm talking about the mysterious end-of-day bloating that makes you wonder how your stomach changed size in just a few hours. Inflammation can slow your digestion, trap gas, and cause water retention. It's your gut's way of tapping you on the shoulder and saying, something isn't right. And here's what's wild. So many people think it's normal to bloat every day. It's not. It's just common because so many people have inflamed guts without realizing it. The third sign hides even better. It doesn't show up in your stomach, it shows up in your emotions. Mood swings, anxiety, or a sudden sense of emotional imbalance can be linked directly to the gut. More than 90% of your serotonin, the hormone that stabilizes mood, is made in your digestive system. So when your gut is inflamed, that gut-brain communication gets disrupted. I've seen people spend years trying to fix their mood, not knowing the real problem was sitting quietly in their gut. When their gut calmed down, their emotional health began to improve almost effortlessly. But maybe the most surprising sign of all doesn't show up inside your body. It shows up on your skin. Rashes, acne flare-ups, unexplained redness, even stubborn eczema can be tied to gut inflammation. Think of your gut like a filter. When it's inflamed or overloaded, it doesn't process things the way it should. So your body finds another exit, and that exit is often your skin. That's why some people notice their skin clears dramatically once they start healing their gut. It isn't magic, it's biology working the way it should. Now, let's talk about something most people joke about, even though it's actually a major red flag: unpredictable bathroom habits. We won't get graphic, but you know when something feels off. Maybe you're swinging between constipation and loose stools. Maybe you're going more often, or not nearly enough. Maybe your digestion feels like it's on shuffle mode and every day is different. Inflammation disrupts the smooth rhythm of your intestines, almost like static interfering with a radio signal. If your bathroom routine feels unpredictable, your gut might be struggling quietly in the background. The sixth sign is one many people miss until it becomes too obvious to ignore: sudden food sensitivity. Maybe dairy used to be fine but now makes you uncomfortable. Or bread suddenly leaves you bloated. Or spicy food hits harder than it used to. Inflammation weakens the gut lining, making it more reactive to foods it once handled with ease. It's like your gut gets tired, overwhelmed, and starts overreacting. Here's the cliffhanger: if you ignore this sign, the others often get stronger, louder, and harder to manage. And now, the final sign, the one that catches almost everyone off guard: brain fog. That cloudy, unfocused feeling where you know you're capable of thinking clearly, but your mind feels like it's stuck behind glass. Gut inflammation releases tiny chemical messengers called cytokines. These circulate through your bloodstream and can impact how your brain functions. Suddenly, you feel forgetful, slow, or disconnected. People blame stress or age, but often, the real culprit is inflammation quietly brewing in the gut. If you're listening to this and thinking, wait, I have 2 or 3 of these, you're definitely not alone. Most people don't realize how deeply the gut influences everything: energy, mood, skin, digestion, even the sharpness of your mind. The good news: gut inflammation isn't permanent. Your body wants to heal, and when you give it even a little support, it responds quickly. One of the simplest ways to help is adding more fiber-rich whole foods into your daily routine. Things like vegetables, berries, oats, and beans. Another evidence-backed habit is including fermented foods like yogurt or sauerkraut to help strengthen your gut environment. And reducing ultra-processed foods gives your digestive system a break, allowing inflammation to calm down naturally. Even small changes can create big improvements when you stay consistent. Imagine waking up with steady, calm energy. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing clearer skin. Imagine a quieter mind, a happier mood, a flatter stomach, and a brain that feels alert again. These aren't miracles. They're what happens when your gut finally gets the support it's been quietly asking for. If any of these signs sounded familiar, consider this your personal nudge to start paying attention to what your gut has been trying to tell you. Take one small step today, whether it's adjusting what you eat, noticing which foods affect you, or simply giving your gut a little more care. And if you want more easy, friendly videos that help you understand your body and improve your health, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Your gut, your energy, and your future self will thank you.